Have you ever wasted time scrolling through your pin channels or typing in the search bar to find that specific conversation? I did too, until I found out about this game-changing feature in Zoho Cliq, custom keyboard shortcuts. I collaborate with my team in the marketing channel every day, but getting there by scrolling through my pin channels or typing it out in the search bar is a big hassle. Now, those few extra seconds might not seem like much, but it adds up when you're juggling multiple tasks. Then I set up a shortcut. I assigned MC for the marketing channel. Now, with just a quick couple of keystrokes, I'm there. No searching, no waiting. It's just instant access. It honestly feels like magic. And it doesn't stop there. I've created shortcuts for most of the tools that I use daily. For example, PW opens up my projects widget and HR opens our HR chatbot. These shortcuts make my day smoother, faster, and more efficient. And if you haven't set up your shortcuts yet, trust me, you have to try them out.